one's called Fight or Flight.
Hold your heads up high. The future we talk highly of is right beyond those graduation lights.
The choice of fights or flights is beneath you.
So plant your feet, look to the sky, and decide. I'm close to being class valedictorian.
And I was freaking far from it.
I'm number 3 in my class.
And I was number 255.
But what could those figures ever figure out about me? As far as I know, I can be successful with both eyes closed because I have dreams. I was told that I had an exponential amount of potential.
Success was the color of my birthstone,
But its constant display caused it to fade.
Who said that Mary Jane's smoke had no weight or taste? It tasted like my parents' disappointment. I get dropped home by cops, often high like the flight of Osiris, always almost cuffed, pinched like the salt running in mommy's tears. I give birth to living ideas in a home, chambers filled with smoke.
So as soon as they knew how to play,
The smoke pressed their bird chest and they'd suffocate. I was ridiculed for being too artsy.
I was told
That
that
writing
writing was lame.
So I put my pen down, hit the streets, and put myself
At risk of getting capped, I effed up my assignments. Success!
I turned my back. Only till I realized that if I continued this course, I'd either be wrapped in a super senior grad gown
Or worse, tagged inside a body bag. Blood sac labeled A for almost.
So I found me true friends I now call family.
Grabbed good grades
And
chose to speak loudly into these mics.
And now the ideas I give birth to aren't just 255 figures left lonely on college road sheets.
I let them fly.
With their paper-thin wings.
This is me, polishing my birthstone to restore its shine. I write,
I look to the sky and I choose to take flight.
and I was the one whose birthstone was always polished, near picture perfect, but never reaching the perfection that a father wanted to see. Trophy after trophy,
It was never enough.
my efforts spilled down the drain in uselessness like spoiled milk. Spoiled from the lack of affection and attention that I longed for. I was told that for every A I got,
I get $3.
but soon enough the standard of grades turned just straight A's into 100%. And soon enough 100% just didn't make the cut. You have to be valedictorian, they told me. Expectation became my enemy, and the number 3 just became another
In
digit
the numerical system
that didn't have the word first in it. So along with John
and the discovery of true friends
I found a piece of paper,
and a pen.
and they understood me. So with my teeth, I rebel against the polish that was not mine. This is me, repainting my birthstone for the shine that I need, and I am finally free. So holding my pride close to my chest and tight, I now bear a different color. I choose to fight.
And having gone through
Being this close to graduation, I know that figures should never figure me out. The only who can dictate my shine is me. Either I plant my feet
or spread my wings
to fight or take flight. So remember, hold your heads up high.
because that future we talked highly of is right beyond those graduation lights.
And just as I, you'll be left to stand on your own shine. So look to the sky and decide.
Woo!